Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where the day starts off with some morning fog along the west coast, as well as some light rainfall along the southwestern coastline, out of the partly cloudy and dry afternoon in the west. Isolated thundershowers will form from the northern Cape through to the eastern Cape coastline, as well as over the eastern interior, and we'll see a slight possibility of thundershowers through to parts of Gauteng and the northwest. Although tropical cyclone Danae will start to lose intensity as it heads westward over land, we're still expecting cloudy and windy weather over the northeastern parts, with the possibility of heavy rainfall, especially from Thursday night. You'll see widespread showers over that part of South Africa, with a slight possibility of thundershowers as we head towards the northwest, Gauteng and the Free State. Isolated thundershowers are expected from the northern Cape through to the eastern Cape coastline, as well as the KwaZulu-Natal interior. And here's that morning light rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa. Tropical cyclone Danae made landfall along the south coast of Mozambique on Wednesday night. It'll bring in a huge amount of rainfall over a 48-hour period, with more than 200 millimeters of rainfall expected over parts of Mozambique. That'll move through to the Lowveld from Thursday night, bringing in over 100 millimeters of rainfall over a 24-hour period. Now, because of that, there's a watch for heavy rainfall over parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo from Thursday evening, and there's a special weather advisory for tropical cyclone Danae to affect parts of KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo, as well as Mozambique and Zimbabwe, with torrential rains and gale force winds expected. In the northeast, we can expect a high of 33 degrees for Pretoria, Mahikeng and Potchefstroom, 30 degrees for Johannesburg and Bombela at 27. It'll be a warm day for the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, with highs in the upper 20s and low 30s, sizzling hot over the eastern Cape interior with highs in the mid-30s. A high of around 30 is forecast from Richards Bay through to East London, with a fresh northeasterly wind from East London, but then more of a east-southeasterly wind for Richards Bay. You'll see a strong southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth at 28, with a 2-meter northeasterly swell along the east coast. A toasty afternoon for Graaff-Reinet, just shy of 40 degrees, with the rest of those highs in the mid-30s, other than Vredenal at 29, Muizenberg at 25, with the west-northwesterly wind, and you'll see a southwesterly wind from Cape Agulhas all the way through to Plettenberg Bay, Jeffreys Bay with a fresh northeasterly wind at 28, and a 2.5-meter southeasterly swell along the south coast. Uppington just shy of 40 degrees, 34 for De Aar and Colesberg, Sutherland expecting a maximum of 30 degrees, another cool day for Alexander Bay with a fresh south-southwesterly wind. You'll see southwesterly winds all the way through to Table Bay, Cape Town and Longabon at 26, with a 1-meter southwesterly swell along the west coast. Heavy rainfall continues over parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo on Friday, with a windy day in the northeast. You'll see isolated thundershowers over the central, northern and northeastern interior, with a possibility of rain along the east coast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.